play softball. I grew up playing on these fields, born and raised in Moore.
A lot of people use their vacation time to take trips and go places and do stuff. We take vacation to go to tournaments and play ball. That's what we do.
One day, everything's fine, and the next day, everything's gone.
The roof caved in on us. They didn't cry or anything. I just had to get people out. If we weren't in the bathroom, we would have been gone. Because where I was sitting, there's a pile of rubble about that tall.
They told us just go home and we'll get in touch with you when we find your kids. Finally, I called one of the police officers, gave me information the night before. And he said, we want all parents to meet. You can tell that it was set up basically to give us bad news. There's a chaplain there, and the police followed us in and gave us the news at that point.
After we found out about Sydney, of course, it was a really trying time.
Dad and I were just standing in the hallway. We hugged each other for like 5 minutes.
In the morning when I rise, bring tear joy to my eyes and tell me everything's gonna be alright.
Jackson Quick's a little 8-year-old boy off the Rams. He was injured during the tornado.
After the tornado, I was really scared about what happened to Jackson. And I was like, Dada, is Jackson all right? And he's like, no, Mom passed away. And Jackson was put in medical care.
My wife, she does team uniforms. She gets a text from a team mom that says she's lost everything and she's going to need a new baseball uniform for her son. This is just a few hours after the storm came through. You know, he's thinking about his baseball uniform getting back on that baseball field.
Chris was scheduled for a baseball game that night, and I told him, if you want to just stay home tonight, that's not a problem. I'll never forget his answer is, I need to be with my team tonight.
We've had people reaching out, and this is just softball teams and coaches from California to Wisconsin to Louisiana, Illinois, Iowa, Kansas, Missouri, Texas, everywhere. It's insane how many people have tried to help.
All of our thoughts and prayers are going out to the families that have been devastated by the tornado.
The amount of support has just been just
Astonishing. Knowing that there's so many kids that want to help is pretty impressive.
I'm here for Sydney because we're trying to help raise money for her family. When we play a game, we're competitive, but, you know, we're all friends in the end. We just came out to help. Baseball is how me and Jackson and Kai became best friends. We went to go see him and help him out because he was our teammate.
Everyone's really supportive. It's mostly that everybody helps everybody else. And you just can't get over that. Moore doesn't like to give up really easy.
You do nothing to see American flags hanging from people's rubble. I mean, you're American, so you gotta stand for something.
It chokes you up. I mean, it's just amazing to see. It makes you proud to be from here. It makes you proud to be American.
Tournament in Simi Valley has helped raise funds in honor in the memory of Amanda McPherson, a young girl who died of a rare birth defect. Now, with the help of another young softball player, Zoe Ballin, this year the tournament honored Sydney Engel. Zoe and Amanda's mom, Mary, encouraged parents to put money in donation buckets each time their all-star had a great hit or catch. The girls also wore Sydney's name and number on their arms. Zoe's team ended up winning the tournament. Afterwards, they sent a care package to the Engel family, including Sydney's banner, which was signed by all the teams. The tournament trophy and all the donations collected that day. Very special moment for all the young ladies there in Simi Valley, helping someone they never met all the way in Oklahoma.